Welcome back everybody to another video. In today's video we're going to be giving you guys a quick review on this Central Machinery ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight. I got this for my birthday like about a week ago, and it's helped me out a lot. If you guys don't know, I do small engine repair, and I probably cleaned around 50 carburetors by hand before I had this, and once I got this, that cut my time in half. So in today's video we're going to be giving you guys a review of it, so let's get straight to it. So first we're going to be showing you guys all the options that it has and stuff, but first let's plug it in. I normally unplug it every single night just in case, because I mean it's an ultrasonic cleaner, you can't really trust everything, so I always unplug it. And here you can see it has some green lights on it, but what all these buttons do is the one that says TC, this is going to be your little like heating option. So when you put your cleaner in there with water or something and you turn on that TC, it's gonna heat up the water, which will help it clean whatever you're going to clean a little bit better. This set button right here, you use that to set your time, however long you want it to sit inside the cleaner, ultrasonic cleaner, whatever you want to call it. And then obviously your on and off button, so when you want to start it you press on, when you want to shut it off just press off, or if you just put the timer on it, it shuts off automatically. So what you can do here is just open up this little lid. It comes with this little tray that you can use for small parts and stuff, so that way if you put some small parts in there, you don't have to pull them out each one by one. You can just pull them out all at one time. Now I really haven't experimented with different cleaning products and stuff. I just use the normal Harbor Freight ultrasonic cleaning powder that you can buy from there. So yeah, I just use this and pour a little bit in there. So what we're actually going to be using to test it and show you guys how well it cleans stuff is, here we have a carburetor to a Farmall Cub. If you guys don't know, in one of my last videos we replaced this carburetor on a Farmall Cub, and this is the old one. We put a brand new one on it, but in this video we're going to be showing you guys how good it'll clean it. So here's the one that we're going to be using. Alrighty, so we just filled it up with some water to the max level, and we're going to dump the carburetor in there. So I'm just going to grab it and dump it in there just like that. I'm going to try and get most of it underwater as I can. That's going to be the most that we're going to get. So now that we have the carburetor in there, we're just going to get some of the ultrasonic cleaning powder, which I have right here. We're going to dump some in there, and then once it's ready, we're going to come back and show you guys the after results. Now I'm going to show you guys it real quick. So there it is. And luckily, since this is a YouTube video, it'll be done in about 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, guys, so it just finished to shut off. I heard it. And you guys can see here, yeah, that water's really dirty. And there's the carburetor. I also threw in a couple of other parts from this other carburetor that I'm rebuilding for a 22 horsepower engine, a Briggs. So yeah, rebuilding that. So I threw those parts in there as well. It's not going to make a big difference, but here it is. Let's pull it out. Now that dirt right there, that's just a little bit of light dirt. You can easily brush that off. But in this case, I want to be completely honest with you guys and just see how good the cleaner did itself. So here's our first look at it. As you guys can see, it cleaned off a good amount of dirt, and you can see all that dirt inside the water. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. Let's take a look at the other side. As you guys can see, it cleaned it up really nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much how the ultrasonic cleaner works. I think it cleaned it out pretty nicely. This ultrasonic cleaner actually helps me out a lot with 2-strokes, chainsaws and stuff like that, because normally I usually have to buy new carburetors for those. But as soon as I got this, I started making more money, saving a lot of time and stuff. So yeah, I think it helps out a lot of people. I would definitely recommend getting this ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight. Once again, it's Central Machinery, and it works out really nicely. It's going to help you out a lot. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.